How to fix Fortnite matchmaking error number 1. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to load up Fortnite on your console. Go to the settings here. So I'm just going to navigate to the settings. Click on the settings, and then you want to go into the section that is game. And here you will see matchmaking region. Make sure this is set to the appropriate region. So for example, I'm from Europe, so it's set to Europe. And what you can also do is change this to auto, which is going to automatically detect your region. Now, once you have done this, see if that fixes the issue for you. If it still doesn't, the second thing that I suggest doing is restarting your console. So for the Nintendo Switch 2, you will press the power button for a few seconds until you see this, and you want to go to power options and restart. Once you have done this, see if that fixes the issue for you. If it still doesn't, the last thing that I suggest doing is checking the Epic Games status. So here on my phone, I just Google search for Fortnite server status, and you want to click on the first option that pops up right here and see if Fortnite is operational at the very top. If everything is green, then it means that there are no issues, but if something is red, then it means that the issue is coming from Epic Games and they need to address and fix it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.